Here we're going to talk about the Michigan Board of Law Examiners website, and basically I'm going to go through 2 pages that you should be familiar with as a bar exam taker in Michigan. If you Google Michigan Board of Law Examiners, you'll come right to this page. This is their homepage, so you can see that there's news on this page, and basically it's important to regularly check this site because any news or update to the bar exam will be posted here. You can see that for July, there were a lot of updates about the bar exam due to the fact that the July bar exam was 1 day only online and it was only an essay exam. So the board was constantly posting updates on that. So it was really important for examinees to regularly check this site. Another thing that will be here is bar exam results. So after you take the bar exam, you'll just scroll up here, you'll refresh this page as much as you want, and you will see bar exam results posted by seat number. So there will be a link to a PDF, and then you can check to see if you passed by seeing if your seat number is on the list of seat numbers that passed the bar exam. One thing to be aware of is that the board will not give you your seat number if you forget it. So please make sure that you write down your seat number when you take the exam, because if you forget it or if you misplace it, then you're going to have to wait for your results to come in the mail. So this is the first page that you should be regularly referring to. The second page is this admission to the bar page. And the reason that you want to regularly refer to this page is because this actually has past essays on it. You'll be able to find the most recent essay exams here. So you can see February 2020 questions and examiner's analysis are here. The July bar exam was already administered, but the questions and examiner's analysis won't be out until they release the questions and examiner's analyses, which they'll do when results are out. So you'll be able to find the most recent exam here, and then they go back all the way to 2009. The best way to pass the Michigan bar exam is to do as many past essays as you can, so this should be a very important resource to you. Another nice thing about this, which might differ from your commercial course, is you can see when you click on the questions that these are the actual format of the bar exam. So while your commercial course might have something like real property questions and they have all the real property questions, this will give you the actual bar exam itself. This is what the exam will look like. It'll have question 1, it'll be in this font. It'll look exactly like this when you take the exam. So even if your commercial course gives you questions, you can find the most recent ones here, and you can also see how an actual exam looks here. A couple other pages that you might want to refer to, though probably not as regularly, are these FAQs. The frequently asked questions will just answer any questions that you might have, and you should probably check this page before you call or email the board. Also, you might want to refer to the exam security and conduct policy. This will probably also be mailed to you, but if there are any changes, they should be on this website. It tells you exactly what you're allowed to bring to the exam and what you're not allowed to bring, which is a more extensive list. So make sure that you refer to this before the exam if you do not get it mailed to you. Lastly, if you're interested in checking out the rules, statutes, and policy statements, this is probably something that you don't need to regularly refer to because it's not updated that often. But if you are wondering, for example, what does a score of 3 mean on the Michigan bar exam, or which subjects are tested, if you just want to see the actual list itself, then you can check here. Hopefully the commercial course that you're taking will, list the subjects themselves. But it is helpful to kind of get an idea of the grading rubric and other things that you might not otherwise receive from your course. And that is all in this document. So hopefully this helps. These are the pages that you should be regularly referring to as a bar exam taker at Michigan, and you will be completely updated with what you need to know before you take the bar exam.